Looks like we've been invaded. Very angry looking young man there. Welcome to Dunans Castle. So I'm looking at access today. This is a Sunday when I have a bit of time away from the desk just to do a bit of a recce. And I'm presently standing below the main arch of the bridge. Hold on, I'll show you. So we'll go up. So that's the western arch, which we have already pointed, and you can actually see the vertical face there has also been pointed and recovered. And then you come to the main arch above us, and this is the north side, so it's in shadow at the moment because we're in the afternoon and the sun is in the south. And then we have the small arch, the western arch, which I've never been into, and I'm just going to try and get into there now. Yeah, I'm not too sure how I'm going to do this, but if I get up there, I'll take some footage in the arch. That gives you an idea of what the arch is looking like. It's also sitting on some rock, which is above me, and I don't think I'm going to be, well, I don't really want to get up there because I've got no ropes, but I think I might have to come from above, where that stob is at an angle. We'll have a look later on. So here we are at the top now, and that's the drop we're looking at. I'm not really sure I want to go down from up here. Let's just have a look around the side past the newly restored roundel and have a look over here. So there's the stob that we saw earlier. Down there is a kind of undifferentiated mass outside the small arch. I think what we might try and do is go from the bottom, but I'll have to drop ladders over the side and then come up from there. I'll do some pruning. Most of the leaves off, and it should stop any further damage. And I'll come back in a week or so and just clean the rest off, because there's quite a lot there that's just hanging on by its bark. So there you go, the view of the castle unobstructed by vegetation growing off the bridge. A relief, I think I would say.